Well, hey gang, Mike here from Just Car People Things. Tonight we are working on our 2008 Toyota Matrix. We have this ongoing little series about how to make a $5,000 car workable these days. It's very difficult to find something in the market. Last night I finished the polish on the paint and got a good coat of wax on the car. Put a little tire shine, some Meguiar's Good Tire Shine on the wheels, and frankly, it's a pretty nice looking little car for 5,000 bucks. We got the interior done and cleaned up, and that's on right now because I have the headlights on, and we are going through a process right now to replace the fog lights on this. I think the low beams aren't great on this car, and I think the fog lights need to be improved. I got some yellow LED fog light bulbs that I think are a great call. So we're gonna first shut off the lights. And you actually don't even need to put the car up on a lift to do this, believe it or not. I got some of these Auxbeam Q-Series lights. They've got seals already on them, but they did give you extra seals here, and pretty straightforward to install. They give you a user manual if that's worth a chuckle for you. But these are actually really, really easy to install. I'm going to show you just how easy it is. If you come underneath here, and I'm going to take a look underneath, you can actually see, and I'm actually going to remove the hat here and the camera, so hopefully you guys can see this, but right up there is the fog light bulb right there on the right, and all you have to do is reach up in there and spin it and then pop the blue connector off on the bottom. So very, very straightforward to do. This is a really quick video because for me to do this, I'm going to have to put the hat back on here and reach up and see if I can get into there. And all you have to do is just rotate, and you're going to spin it counterclockwise. See if we can see in there. And it is now loose. And now you can see right there. Let me just take that apart, take the hat off again. Sorry for the shaking and jiving here, but you can see that the bulb is loose, and we just need to pop this connector off the back, which we do by pushing up on that right there. And of course I had the bulb on for a second, so it's actually pretty hot. So I'm going to pop this apart. I need two hands to do it, but I'll show you how it goes back together. So you can see the connector right there, and once that is loose, this will just pop right out of here, and we can replace those bulbs by just pushing them back in. And the nice thing about these LEDs is that you don't have to worry too much about touching them or having anything come in contact with them. It won't cause too much trouble. So we'll go ahead and throw this back together, and I'll show you what it looks like with one of them on. So there's the loose connector right there, and we're just going to pop this guy right back on. I can actually do it one-handed, just like this, and that'll secure on there. So you can see that's secured on there. And now we're just going to take it, try to get my light situated here so you can see a little bit better. We're going to take it up, lift it up in there, get it slotted in, and you'll feel it seat. And all you do once it does that is rotate towards you on the bottom, so clockwise, and it's secured. So that's it. That's a full swap. We can take this guy out right there. And take our headlights, flip our headlights over to on. Let's see what we get. Much brighter, much more yellow compared to the other side. I'll step back here so hopefully you can see the difference between the two. So that's it. You just do the same thing on the other side. These light bulbs are about 25 bucks. Check them both before you head out on the road. And there you go. Sorry for the disjointed video. It's a little tougher to do this when you're not playing around on the lift, but very straightforward overall. Appreciate you guys checking it out. This is part of this ongoing series about how to take a cheap car, make it look presentable, drive it every day, have a good life out of it, and go from there.